Hello. In this video, we will go through the procedure to implement the domain authentication in Truesight server automation. A domain authentication enables the users to log in into TSSA console by providing the domain username and the passwords. In domain authentication, TSSA client passes the user credentials to the authentication service, which delegates the user authentication to Active Directory domain controller. If the domain controller is able to successfully authenticate the users are permitted to log in into TSSA. This implementation is divided in two parts. In first part, we will see how to configure the domain authentication in TSSA, and in later part, we'll see how to do the cross registration of the domain users and setting up the authentication profiles. The first thing that we need to do is we need to obtain the host names of Active Directory KDCs, that is a key distribution center. We'll use this command to get the host names of KDC. After collecting the KDC information, we need to create a BL app serve underscore KRB5 conf file, which is used by TSSA to communicate with the Active Directory server. Create a text file and add the content mentioned on the screen. Kindly note, we cannot use an IP addresses here. The application server must be able to resolve the DNS server names of Active Directory servers. User underscore realm is the realm where the users are defined. Users underscore realm underscore KDC is the host name for the KDC which is servicing that realm. And users underscore domain is a DNS name of your domain controller. Then we need to create a BL app serve underscore logging.conf file. This file provides the necessary Kerberos authentication information to TSSA. Create a file with the content specified on the screen and store this file inside the NSHBR directory with the name blappserve underscore logging.conf. Use this blasadmin settings to define the TSSA authentication service to use the Kerberos configurations we set up in the previous procedure. Let's see the demo. Log on to TSSA application server and open up a command prompt as an administrator. Now we need to obtain the host names of Active Directory KDCs by running this command nslookup -type srv space underscore Kerberos dot underscore TCP and the domain name. Now we need to create a BL app serve underscore KRB5.conf file with the KDC details. Open up a notepad and add the KDC details which were captured in previous command. You'll get the syntax from the documentation. So we need to write everything in uppercase. Now save this file as blappserve underscore krb5.conf file under the nshbr directory. Now create another text file named as blappserve underscore logging.conf. Add these details and save this file inside the nshbr directory as blappserve underscore logging.conf. Now open up a command prompt again and define the blasadmin settings to configure the authentication services. To enable the users to log on using the domain authentication, run this command. To enable the blappserve underscore krb5 conf file, run this command. To enable the blappserve underscore logging.conf file, we need to run this command blasadmin -a auth server auth svc krb5 login config space blappserve underscore logging.conf. Stop the Truesight server automation application server service and start it again. Thank you for watching the video.